In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply the recommended charts in Excel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a block of numbers into a clear, professional chart with just a few clicks. Before we begin, make sure your data is tidy. Each column should have a clear header, and your values should be grouped without blank rows or random notes in the middle. This helps Excel understand what you're trying to visualize and improves the quality of its suggestions. Start by highlighting the data you want to visualize. Include the headers so Excel can use them for labels in the chart. You can click and drag to select the range, or place your cursor anywhere inside the data and use keyboard shortcuts to extend the selection if that's faster. If you have totals at the bottom or side that you don't want charted, leave those out of your selection so the chart stays accurate. Next, go to the ribbon at the top and click the Insert tab. This is where Excel keeps all the charting tools. If your window is smaller, some buttons may appear as icons, but they'll still be on this tab. Now click Recommended Charts. Excel quickly analyzes your selection and opens a window with chart suggestions that fit your data's layout. You'll see thumbnails and a live preview area so you can get a feel for how each option will display your information. This step is helpful because it saves you from guessing which chart might work best. If you want to explore beyond the suggestions, you can also switch to the All Charts section in that same window to view other types. But the recommended list is a great starting point. Choose a suitable chart from the options shown. For quick comparisons among categories, a clustered column chart often works well. If your data tracks changes over time, a line chart can highlight trends smoothly. For categories with long labels, a bar chart can improve readability. And if you're showing parts of a whole, a pie chart can work, but only when you have just a few categories with clear differences. As you click through choices, watch the preview to confirm labels, legends, and axes look right. When you've found the best fit, confirm your choice, and Excel will place the chart on your sheet. That's all there is to it. Highlight your data, go to Insert, Open Recommended Charts, and pick the option that tells your story best. Practice this on a few different datasets, and you'll quickly get a feel for which suggestions work in each situation.